In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating ASP.NET Core Web API project and demonstrate you how to perform the CRUD operation. We will provide you step-by-step instruction covering various aspects including project creation, controller setup, implementation of service layer, utilization of DTO, and incorporation of the generic repository pattern. Additionally, we will walk through the implementation of dependency injection. Throughout this project, we will use Entity Framework Core for database connectivity, adopting a code-first approach to database design, and utilize SQL Server as our database engine. Furthermore, we will demonstrate you how to establish a relation between two tables in the database. Please join us in this video tutorial as we explore each stage of development process, ensuring you gain a comprehensive understanding of creating a robust ASP.NET Web API with efficient code operation and web architecture.